Amazing house. This house has 5 rooms, 5 bathrooms, huge basement. In the school of district, Buford, you know, Buford is one of the most top rates in schools, specifically schools, 9 of 10, 10 of 10. All of this area, luxury houses, for example, another house, luxury as well. This house has almost a half an acre. I like this, look at this driveway. I love this driveway, look at my Tesla. Tesla's amazing here, has a more, just outside has a space enough for maybe more than 8 cars just outside. That is great. That's great. All right, this house has a full basement, unfinished basement, has a potential space to do something that you wanna. All right. What do you think this ice? This is amazing ice, right? This ice is for free for you. If you want ice, you don't need to sell from another place. This is free for you. I love it. This house, this ice like Colorado, like a Colorado, right? Welcome to Colorado, Buford's Colorado. I like this space. This space so beauty, so nice space here. Oh my goodness, this house is affordable for everyone. Affordable. This is just $1,050,000. Look at this. It is insane. It is perfection. Step inside with me, following love. This house is unique. I love it. 2025. This house is new, brand new. We just complete this luxury house. Oh my goodness. All right. Look at this living space. I love this living space. Look at these beams over there in the ceiling. I like these beams. These beams looks like a ranch, luxurious, unique house. I like this fireplace here. Look at this fireplace. I love it. This we have inside fireplace, outside another fireplace. I love it. Look at these views from here. Look at this kitchen. This kitchen looks luxury. Looks shiny. Look at this line in the ceiling of the kitchen. I love this cabinets, windows mirror cabinets. I like in the ceiling of this space. I love it. What do you think? It is insane. It is great. What do you think? All of this countertop, huge countertop. I think this is one of the biggest one. Normally will be until here, but this is one of the biggest one. Great countertop. This thing in the middle of the countertop, this is great space, right? You open this thing and you show your favorite showcase over there. It is fantastic, great combination, great design. Look at this space, the breakfast space. I love this breakfast space. What do you think? In my opinion, this house was designed strategy. That's right. Look at this. Hold this open concept, and then you have private access. Welcome with me. Private access at your private paradise. Look at this. Here you have your private fireplace here. I like it. Look at this. Every single day you're feeling like a vacation here, like a getaway here. This is your private resort. You have a private access to the basement area. Oh my goodness, you can complete this fence for sure. Even if you love pool, you can do that. A pool in this area, in this space. That is enough area. All right, this is your paradise, your private resort here, your private vacation. Every single day, this will be a vacation. Awesome. Let's continue. Let's keep going. I like all these views. So quiet, relaxing. This is the real life, the real lifestyle to everyone deserve. Here is a space. Look how this. That's perfect. This space is nice. All right, enough space to the kitchen. And then, oh my goodness, this will be, all right, primary, that is the primary suite, I love it. Yeah, here is your bed, your king bed, that's right, huge, look at these huge windows, oh my goodness, I like it. What about this master bathroom? Nothing bad, this master bathroom is huge, look at this, bath space, but I like it, I love it. Private toilet here. And what do you think? This master closet. Oh my goodness, this master closet is big. Look at this whole space. All right, you can customize for sure. You can customize all your master closet. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Super convenient, close to the laundry space, closet laundry space. That is convenience. It is amazing. Even here you have an access to the car garage. That I say you 3 cars. That's right, 3-car garage here. That's great. You can access here, you can go. Here is your laundry. This is your guest bathroom. That's right, guest bathroom. That's great. Guest bathroom, perfect. Guest bathroom. All right, guest bathroom here. What do you want? Mood roof here. You can take off your jacket, everything that you want. This door is a secret door. This door has exactly to the basement. After to show the second floor, I go into the basement. Follow me. Let's keep going. Let me show you. All right, the second floor here, but let me show you this space. This space is another room. Look at this. In the first floor has 2 rooms. This will be the guest room. I like this guest room. Oh my gosh, I don't believe that. This has a full bathroom. That's right. Yes, full bathroom. Oh my goodness, look at this. In the first floor has 2 rooms, and each room has a full bathroom. Oof, it is perfect. Full bathroom. Here you have a great space. Great space, great closet here. Oh my gosh. Here your tu invitado will be feeling like a king, a queen. It is great space. All right. What else here? Awesome. Office room for sure. Office room. Perfect space. Perfect office room. Look at this whole of these views. I love it. I like it. All right. Let's go to the second floor. Let's go to the second floor. Second floor has a private finishes. Let me show you. The second floor has another level. Let me see. First of all, show you this room. How big is this room? Let me know. This room is enough for you. This room is great. It's so small, or this is big for you. Let me know in the comments. And what do you think about this closet? It is so smaller. Let me know. For every single person has a specific house. If this house is perfect for you, that's great. Probably for someone will be the perfect house, but don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, because we can to build your dream house. You can build. Look at this. Oh my gosh! Look at this design of this room. I love this room. I like it. This room has extra space. One space over there. Another space, extra space here, yeah, extra space here. Even you has another space here. This room, let me open for you this space. That's right, you can save your shoes, you can save Christmas decoration, a lot of stuff. I like this design, like a castle, like another house, a mini house inside. Here you find your closet. That's right. You find your closet. All right. This closet. All right. That's perfect. All right. That's closet. Awesome. Let's keep going. Let's continue. I like this. What do you think this short balcony? I like this balcony. That's perfect. That's balcony. That's right. Oh my goodness. Here has another secondary living space. You can decorate all of this. Your couch here. Fantastic. This living space is amazing. Second floor. Here you has. That's right. You have here full bathroom here. This full bathroom is for all of these rooms. Or let me see. Here has a room. All right. Here has a room. That's right. This is for this room. That's correct. This is for this room. You find here your closet. Great closet. I think this is enough space. That's right. This is enough space. This room has a private access. Look at this private access to use this bathroom. Fantastic. Let me see one of the final room. Oh my goodness! And this house has 2 laundry rooms. Look at this. 2 laundry rooms. That is convenient. That is perfect. Oh my goodness! I like this space. What do you think? This space. All right. It is part. That's right. It is part of the laundry room. If you wanna, you can customize for another room. What else? It is missing the basement space. Let's check it out. The basement space. Basement space. Oh my gosh, how beauty. Hey, hello. Look at this space. I like this space. Has a potential space. What do you do here? Theater. You can do your gym room. You can do your recover room, like if you go to love social media, you can do, I don't know in English, to do something like a green screen, or another things. You have how many rooms here? 1, 2, 3. This is another 4. That's right. You can split each room because each room has big. In this case, that is the living space. Look at this. This space is the fireplace space. I like this basement. Here you have your paradise. Let me access to the basement. Backyard. All right, backyard here. That's great. So relaxing. Oh my goodness. This house has a power. The power of this house is relaxing, fresh. It is. I love it. This is brand new, guys. 2025. The last month of 2025 was complete this house. Just hit a market. It is great. What do you think? Let me know what's your favorite part of this house. Let me know. If you love this house, let's keep in touch. Let me know. Below of this house you find all details. And share this video at your family, at your couple. And thank you for your support. I really appreciate your support, your love. And let's see you in the next video. Thank you, guys. I love you.